Good morning. In this problem, we are going to see a pentagonal lamina of edge 25 mm resting on HP with one of its sides, such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. The edge on which it rests is inclined 45 degree to VP. We have to draw the projection now. So select the line thickness 0.13 and draw a reference line XY. Now we have to make the pentagonal lamina, pentagon 5 sides, so 360 divided by 5, it gives 72. So first let me draw a 25 0 degree and a 25 72 degree and a 25 144, 25 216, 25 288. So the pentagon now it's over. Select all the entities and make into a group. So now it is selected. The problem given is it resting on HP with one of its side. So select one side and we have to keep it in a vertical manner. Rotate and remove, that is delete the old one. Move this pentagon and keeping one of its sides on HP. So now we have to select the thickness 0.5 mm and mention the names for each corners as A, B, C, D, E. Select the line with a 0.13 mm thickness and draw the projector lines up to the reference line. From that we have to join these lines. You can make it as a group, okay, and 0.5 mm thickness. Now mention the names for the front view, that is A dash and E dash in bracket, since it is hidden the view. So from the view you can see the B dash and a D dash which is in bracket and C dash. Next one is second phase. What we have to do is we have to make the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. So the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with HP. So we have to move this to some distance and then we can rotate for 60 degree. Rotate the element, select the center of rotation and we can go for the rotation. The angle is 60 degree. Copy, switch off copy so that we can rotate directly. Now we can make it as a 0.5 mm thickness and name it C dash, B dash, D dash in bracket D dash, and this corner, that is the side on which it rests, that is the A dash, E dash, that is the edge. Now draw the projector lines from the end points with the 0.13 mm thickness vertically downwards, and from the top view of A to A dash, B to B dash, C to C dash where it meets, and D to D dash where it meets, E to where it meets E dash. Okay, now join all the mega points over there, the name where the intersection of A, B, C, D and E. With the help of a line command you can join EA, AB, BC, CD, DE. That's it. So now select all the entities, make it into the group and 0.5 mm thickness. So now a single entity, so select it as make in the group. The next is the edge on which it rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP, so we have to move and rotate the view. So go for the move option, select that entire thing and move to a distance. So now you can rotate it, select that the edge on which it rests, so the edge on which it rests should be rotated to the 45 degree to the VP. So this is the edge. Since it is below to the reference line -45 we have to give, so that it is rotated here, and you can check the angle between the reference line and the edge, that is 45 degree. Fine. Mention A, B, C, D, E. Draw the projector lines. From A to A dash where it meets, from B to B dash it meets here, C to C dash, D and D dash where it meets, E with E dash. Mention the names where it intersects, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash and E dash. Now with the help of line commands we can join all the intersection points A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, end point, all the end of the lines we can make it. Select the entities, make it as a group, and 0.5 mm thickness it should be. Yeah. Now we can go for the dimension of the lamina, that is 25 mm, and the front view of this HP inclination surface is 60 degree. Now this is it should be a thickness 0.5 mm thickness. Yeah, 0.5 mm thickness. Draw the XY reference line, names for it, and VPHP on the for these. Unwanted portions we have to remove with the trim command. Go for trim option, select the external lines, projector lines, and now all the dimensions which is given the problem is given. Okay, so